Hello there everyone and welcome along to Manchester Victoria, and to kick us off we have a freight train working 6J46 from Peak Forest CMEX through to Hope Street Peakstone sidings. Will be 66722. Over on the far side departed is 158755, working the 1036 Northern service from Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Next out to depart is 185122 with the 1045 Transpennine Express service through to Scarborough. Running 5 minutes late is 15136 and 15150, working 1043 Northern service from Rochdale through to Clitheroe. Next out to depart is 150-102, running 5 minutes late with a 1042 Northern service from Clitheroe through to Rochdale. Next up, running 31 minutes late is 802-208 with the 1023 Transpennine Express service from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Arriving next into the station is 158903 and 158842, working the 1055 Northern service from Leeds through to Wigan Wallgate. Next up, running 18 minutes late is 185139 and 185110, working the 1039 Transpennine Express service from Redcar Central through to Manchester Airport. Next out two departures 195 123, working the 1057 Northern service through to Leeds. Next up, arriving 8 minutes late, is 802 217, working the 1053 Transpennine Express service from Hull through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next out two departures 802 201, working the 11 o'clock Transpennine Express service at Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle. Arriving next into the station is 195 109, working the 1106 Northern service from Leeds through to Chester. Next arriving into the station is 150 130, working the 1109 Northern service from Staley Bridge through to Southport.
This train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 5 is the 1109.
Next out two departures 769 448, running 16 minutes late with the 1051 Northern service from Southport through to Staley Bridge. Departing right behind him is 156 466 and 150 109, with the 1107 Northern service from Headbolt Lane through to Blackburn. Next out two departures 150 109, working the 1109 Northern service from Blackburn through to Rochdale. Next arriving into the station will be 150 127, working the 1115 Northern service from Rochdale through to Blackburn. Next out two departures 185 135 and 185 114, working the 1115 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Redcar Central. Arriving next into the station is 802-216, working the 1123 Trans-Pennine Express service from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Arriving next into the station is 156422, with the 1128 Northern service from Blackburn through to Headbolt Lane. Next out to depart is 185136 and 185123, with the 1130 Trans-Pennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Hull. And your final train of the session is 158-867 and 158-784, working the 1135 Northern service from Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.